what every dragon trapper needs. One end coats the blade in monstrous nightmare saliva. The other sprays hideous zippleback gas. All it takes is a spark and...
Anyway, what does it matter? It's not like you have another dragon eye laying around. Of course he does.
Niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit 'em with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in that trash bag off the interstate.
I'm not gonna fight you, stop loud! You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me! Remember, you wanted this.
Ranking chances of surviving horror movie monsters. Chuck, I'ma touch him inappropriately. Just to let him know he's still a little guy. We got. I'm dead.
Grimmel is an alternative version of Hiccup in How to Train Your Dragon, because in the beginning of the movie Hiccup was a coward, but he wanted to prove himself by eagerly looking to kill Night Furies. Then he built a weapon and used it to shoot a Night Fury and making Toothless fall down. So if he had killed Toothless, he would have become like Grimmel, then definitely starting to kill dragons using new advanced methods. just to earn respect. Even crazier Grimmel created drone-like planes instead of riding dragon, the same way Hiccup discovered how to fly without a dragon. That means Grimmel could actually be what Hiccup might have turned into. That's why.
He's only the son still at last, his heir to the throne, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen. Dragon master, and unless you let us go right now, you will pass its length. And blow your entire foolish ships to splinters.
Dragon master.
Short limit. The Night Fury has enough fuel for 3 blasts.
Oh, right, yes, dragons love
Mother of invention. Such tasted the dragon, however. And last but not least, the white.
So just plummet or any ideas? I hate you! You know that. Yes, I am aware of that. Fine, scalding it is. Toothless, plasma, blah. Please don't kill me, it's your son! I'll tell her it was all you. You do that for me? No, of course I wouldn't. Toothless. Hey, your dragon just shot at us. Yes, I know, I told him to. Last leg. Don't laugh, Toothless. You're above that.
Oh, don't look at me like that, son.
Huh. No. Can't imagine that. Even a little bit. He's coming with us? That's totally gonna mess up our rhythm. What rhythm?
When I captured the wimpiest dragon hunter, I mean, he was just a little tiny wimpy. He was about your size and build.
Look at it! You know how attached I am to my ass! It's not loud, no one cares about your ass! There is no way you're flying in your condition. Alright? I am sorry. As leader, I am putting my foot down. Remind me never to put my foot down again. Oh, it's working, Hiccup! I can see that fish legs. What are you looking at?